Dear friends, how to get only 4G or LTE network in all Samsung mobiles? Let's see. Now we will go to keypad, then type star hash 0011 hash. You will get a pop-up message. Wait for 1 to 5 seconds. Then you have right side one menu button is there. Go there, then select menu button and then select back. Okay, then select menu, then select key input. Okay, key input. Okay, there type capital letter Q. Okay, then okay, wait for 1 to 5 seconds, then go to back. Okay, back, then select key input. Okay, then type 0000. Okay, 4 zeros, then select OK. Okay, wait for 1 to 5 seconds, then number 2 UE settings and info. Okay, select, then settings. Okay, settings, then protocol. Okay, then NAS. Okay, NAS, then select network control. Okay, network control, and then go to band selection. Okay, then number 4 LTE band part 1 or part 2. You will select only part 1. Okay, part 1, then number 1 LTE all. Okay, LTE all. Okay, select LTE all bands. Okay, then now connect the internet. You will see 4G. Okay, only 4G or LTE. Okay, only 4G or LTE is coming. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video, dear friends. Okay, thank you.